Hi, myself Oliver Shah. I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata, and I did my bachelor's from the Indian College of Art and Craftsmanship, and I did my master's from MSU 2023. I pass out. After that, I did my one residency in Space Studio. And later, I was done lots of group shows and exhibitions and art residencies, and yeah, I influenced by some miniature works and lots of fresco arts, and especially Ajanta mural and Pompeii art. So those are the very much references I taken from that science. And I used to read books like folk tale stories, and I used to listen to audiobook stories when I was during the work. These are the part of my work. So there's a lots of changes during the process when I work, like one elements to one elements. And I used to chat and too much phone calls during the work. So there is lots of, words is coming from them. So those all has juxtaposed in my work and dream also, subconscious minds. I allowed those all things. If you say this part, so there's a lots of element which is not pre-planned before. Later I include one by one कि यहाँ पे ये होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे ये नहीं होना चाहिए. So and sometimes I erase those things, sometimes I allowed. So those become a layer, and yeah, those becomes of my work. Actually, this spot I've chosen, like my work is very much female based, and this shape is quite vacuum and boom. So I thought when I just choose this, so it has some holes, some darkness. But if the light has came, this is completely the outside. इसका अंदर नहीं जा रहा है. So there is some emptiness and dark, and सब बाहर का जो light दिख रहा है. So whenever we just going in any outsides and having too much conversations, so those are all the outside. But inside, what is in my mind, so वो किसी को नहीं पता. So there is some few layer. When I just choose this surface, I just feel कि एक इंसान को जाने के लिए चारों तरफ उसका दिखना चाहिए. It means बहुत टाइम से उसको ऑब्जर्व करना, या फिर उसका गुड बैड सब कुछ उसको जाना चाहिए. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली दैट काइंड ऑफ आई जस्ट वांटेड टू जस्ट एक्सप्रेस बाय माई सेल्फ कि अब मैं चाह रही थी कि इसके चारों तरफ ही ऐसा कुछ वर्क रहे जहाँ फिर लोग को झुक के भी दिखना पड़े, ऊपर से दिखना पड़े कि व्हाट इज इन द इनसाइड एंड व्हाट इज द आउटसाइड. सो देयर इज अ लॉट्स ऑफ लेयर, लाइक आई engrave on it, I painted on it, and I erase someone, and I use a collage also. If you see this rice papers collage, so those are the traditional medium that I use in my painting. I have references and lots of miniatures and the traditional decay type effects, and my houses are very old, so there's a lots of dab and patches have seen. So I just think like these are the mainly connections and attractions on it, like old decay type effect that is very tough to build in a new surface. So I take this challenge and try to connections with that space, and also the old miniature and old frescoes are great. So yeah, and that is very difficult to treatments. Like if you say this spot and this spot, इसमें बहुत सारी जगह पे है जहाँ पे उठ गया है. मैंने that was a very intentionally I have done.